Hey guys, I'm Danica, and did you know that this building right here is only located 1 mile away from our high school? This is an important piece of African American history. One of our teachers at Stroudsburg High School, Miss Austin.
Welcome. My name is Mrs. Austin. Some of you may know me. I've been at the high school teaching English for 20 years, and I wanted to share a very important place with you. This has been close to my heart for about 15 years, and it's the Little Bethel Historical Association, and we want to invite you to come see what we're all about. We're located in the original AME site of Little Bethel Church, which was built in 1868, right after the Civil War, and some of the members fought for the Union. We have a big plaque outside, which you'll get to see. This is a completely volunteer organization that we raise money to try to restore and make this a historical association and a museum. And we've done so much work with the wonderful donations and volunteers that are completely here on their own. And we're gonna take you on a tour.
Historical Association took over, and you can see here, come on, I want to show you, like this was built,
The brickwork.
all the brickwork, the plaque came.
And you have to have special people do the brickwork because it's like they have to keep the integrity of the look of the brick and not to mention the structure.
Right.
So it's really important that you get it done right.
Pointing the bricks. So
So in 1868, that's when they built this. So in 1868 now we have these returning veterans from the Civil War. They build this place and it's doing well. And it lasts for over 100 years.
So here's a little HGTV info. My husband, Mr. Austin, redid all of these pews here. And the ones that were in disrepair, we actually sold as part of the fundraiser. And I'm proud to say I have one on my porch. How many times have you driven past this building and thought, what an interesting little church, I wonder what's in there? Well, we don't want you to wonder anymore. We want you to come inside because we have a lot to offer here with the history, and this is the first Black church in Monroe County. And it's an integral part of our community, and we want to honor the men who fought for us in the Civil War, and we want to show the different artifacts and pictures and things like that. We take donations of all of those things because we want people to feel community here, because that's what this is all about. And we're so grateful that we're able to restore and renovate this. And we still have a lot of work to do, so if people want to volunteer or donate or anything like that, we want school groups to come in, youth groups, everything. This is your place. This is our place, and this is our community place.
Well, that's a wrap, and I hope you guys learned a little bit more about Stroudsburg's history. And here is the website if you want to know more.